Nelson Tractor Sprinkler Repair Parts. The Nelson Tractor Sprinkler is a small, cast-iron lawn sprinkler shaped like a tractor. The little machine starts at the end of your hose and crawls up it, and the arms spray water as it goes. It can also be set into neutral to sit in one place. However, with time and exposure to water and nature, even the rust-resistant and durable cast iron may need replacing. Fortunately, there are dealers that sell replacement parts. Parts. The Nelson Water Tractor Sprinkler is actually a fairly simple machine. The parts that it's made up of are the sprinkler arms, wheel assemblies, plastic motor and the ramp assemblies. The body of the sprinkler isn't sold as a replacement part. To get a new body, you'll need to buy a new sprinkler. Cost. The replacement parts are relatively cheap. In August 2011, the ramp assembly costs about $10. The most expensive parts is the plastic motor, which is about $25. The remaining parts are all sold for about $15 each. Instructions. Instructions for replacing parts can be found in your owner's manual. However, the replacement parts should also come with a set of instructions that tells you exactly where your new parts go and how to fit them in once the old parts are removed. The right parts. Always be sure that the dealer is selling you the parts you need for your particular Nelson Tractor Sprinkler. Whether you purchase your parts in person from a home and garden store, or you shop online at places like sprinklersuppliesforless.com, make sure that the part you're buying matches up with both the look and serial numbers of the part you're replacing.